good morning, guys. It's a beautiful. Today is what, Thursday morning. It's 4th of July. July 4th. It's a holiday here in America. I don't think it's a holiday anywhere else, but it's a holiday here. So it's overcast today. It's not it's no sun. It's just overcast everywhere. I'm turning the sprinkler on, guys. Check this. Yeah. Yeah, guys, hold on 1 second. I'm trying to set my sprinkler. It's wetting up the van, so I'm trying to program it so it stops right before the van. Alright, here we go. So yeah, I step on something. So stick. Alright, yeah, so it's a beautiful morning. Birds are up, birds are chirping and everything, but there's no sunlight yet. So just giving the lawn some water. It might rain today, but I still go ahead and give it a little bit of water. It's nice and cool today. Look, guys, the squirrels opened up the bird feeder and took all the food out, so now the birds don't have anything to eat. But yeah, I'm gonna turn this one off. I got 2 sprinklers and I have a third one to put in the back, but I didn't buy the hose. So see, I turned this one on. That one waters the front. So it's just like 2 areas I got where I water every other day or so. Yeah, so beautiful morning. Today is like a Sunday, ain't nothing going on. Everywhere is closed for 4th of July. Maybe Walmart open, I don't know, but most places closed today. Today is just a grilling day. Everybody light up the grill and chill and drink beer, and I didn't have anything planned or anything like that, but I got some family in town, so I'm just gonna swing down there and, you know, check them, give them a check, you know. So that's what I'm gonna do today. There's nothing else really to do. I was just here doing some research online, editing videos. I'm behind a couple days, guys. I'm behind from Sunday, so I just uploaded Sunday a while ago, so I'm working my way down. It's now Thursday, so I'm editing Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday and yesterday's video. I'm gonna get all of that done today and posted to the tube. I've been behind because I've been running around all week, just, you know, taking care of stuff pertaining to peppers. So no, I'm just here. It's like a Sunday today. It's Thursday. It's a Sunday. Tomorrow is a regular work day. So whatever I could get done tomorrow, I'll try and get done tomorrow, before the weekend. But yeah, nothing planned today for 4th of July. I don't have anybody coming over. I ain't really. There's no, you know, as I said, most people grill, hang out today, enjoy the holiday, but I didn't have anything planned. I didn't tell anybody about this. Some people leave town, they're out of town. Some people here came into town. That's just 4th of July for us. I planted my little mango seed thing. That thing ain't growing. I don't know who. They be lying, yo. I don't see nothing sprouting from it. I don't know. So anyhow, people put these things on Instagram and then, you know, have us go follow them, and nothing happening. I mean, I did what they say. Maybe that mango seed is just not one that grows, you know. Not, I don't know. Anyhow, the scallions grow. But yeah, guys, I'm here. I already had my hot water. I'm editing my videos. If you could look at this, you'll see I'm on the screen right there. I'm editing. So I'm gonna continue doing some editing. To have painted, you know. I can't really film while I'm editing. You're just gonna be hearing me talking and then hearing me talking. So I'll have to pause and do the editing. I'm listening for any kind of mistakes or anything I want to delete out of it. So that's what I'm doing this morning. It's gonna be a slow morning today. It's like a Sunday. It ain't nothing going on. Outside is just completely quiet. There's no cars, no nothing. So I'll probably just do some editing and then head out maybe around 12, 1 o'clock and go visit some family, and that's about it. So stay tuned, guys. If I find something to do outside or something, then I'll let you guys know what's going on. But for today, it's just a slow day. It's like a Sunday. Nobody got up. Everybody's asleep, you know. So when you go outside, there's nothing. You don't hear no cars, no nothing. Today is more like a Sunday holiday break. Sundays are busier than today. So we'll see. I was here watching some updates on Jamaica and the hurricane and stuff. I haven't seen anything. I know the power is out in most places or some places. I see where some roofs got blown off somewhere, the rivers and the gully are what we call the drainage, right? Most of those places, it's filled, you know, with water and trash, and you know, the rivers overflow and stuff like that. The water by the seaside came up, you know, way up onto the roads and stuff like that. So those are the images and the pictures I've been seeing. But as far as major damages and loss of lives, I think that might be low or none, you know. So yeah, we're just gonna wait. This just happened yesterday, so today, I guess, once power come back and people start posting, then we'll probably, you know, get to see the damages. I'm quite sure there was damages, but we just don't know how bad they are, you know, or if places are gonna remain closed, or we don't know, or the airports are open or closed. I don't know. I don't have those information. So I only hope and pray everybody's all right. There was, you know, no lives lost. So let's see what happened today as social media wake up, you know. Anyhow, I'm gonna edit some videos and then go from there and see what else could we do today. Alright, guys, so I'm here, just leaving out for the day. I was there editing videos. It's now after 12. I was there editing videos, yesterday's video, day before, Monday, Sunday. I got all of them edited except yesterday. They're uploading now as we speak. So yeah, but now I'm heading out on the road. See, it cleared up real nice. It's nice and sunny now. I'm heading out to visit some family that's in town. So I'm just going down there to say hello and hang out with them a little bit. I have a lot more stuff to do today. It's a holiday, guys, but I got a lot of stuff to do. I gotta go pick up the van, swap this van out, leave this van by the truck yard, get my pickup truck. So as a matter of fact, I don't think I could probably leave my truck at the truck yard. I needed something from it, but now I don't remember. Yeah, I needed something from the truck. Yeah. Guys, those F-150 right here, they're nice. It's like some Ford F-150 single cab pickup. I'm thinking I'm gonna, you know, when the build is over, I'm gonna get one of those instead. something smaller, because I won't be towing the trailer or anything like that. I don't need like a bigger van like pickup truck I got. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get a smaller one, you know. I do need a pickup truck because every now and then, you know, we put and throw. I'm always building, guys. So because I'm always building, you know, I need a pickup truck. Yeah, guys. So heading down the road. Yeah, so today I gotta go. I might swap the van out, I'm not sure, but I do have to go to the salon later on today. When I leave down there, I gotta go swing by the salon. I have to swing up by the restaurant. I'm gonna block that window, so I'm gonna get the paper to block it out. I'm going out of town this weekend. I have a lot of stuff in there now, so I'm just gonna block that window for the time being. So I have the paper and the tape and everything. It's already at the salon, so I'm gonna stop by there and pick up the paper and everything. I think it's at the salon. I'm not sure. If not, I'll just buy some from Home Depot if they're open. Today's a holiday, so let's see if Walmart open. Yeah, Walmart is open as usual. Walmart is open. Even the barber shop is open. Dang, everybody's open. Yeah, all the places over there open. Yeah. So, yeah, I gotta go block the window before I go to town. I have to go. I was gonna check on the water meter. I noticed the water was on by the restaurant, so I'm gonna check the water meter. They were putting in some stuff over there, so I'm gonna double check and make sure if there's a meter, if that meter is available, or someone installed one in their space. The contractor next door told me that more than likely there's a water meter space for each. You know, I didn't see it. I just saw two. There's 3 spaces and I saw 2. So I'm trying to go in there and get the plumbing done as quick as possible, so I could secure one of those meters. I don't want to be sharing any of these things with anyone, so that's why I want to get my own meter, own gas, own power. You know, we don't like the idea of sharing with another tenant. It's always an issue as to who use how many water. You know what I'm saying? When you share with somebody else, if they leave a pipe on, let's say they leave a pipe running, now your water bill is going to be more because they left their pipe on. You know what I'm saying? So I don't like the idea of sharing, guys. Yeah, I don't like that idea, because then if the water bill is $1,000 and you do it by percentage, my water bill is going to be more because you left your pipe on. You know what I'm saying? So at all costs, I'm gonna have to get our own meter. I know there's pipes running in, but we just got to figure out where it's going inside the building. You know. So that I'm gonna try and get the plumber next week when I get back. We'll get the plumber to look that over. Yeah, so it's a nice day. It's busy out here. There's a lot of cars out here. I'm thinking everybody would have been home, but people are all over. So I think I need to go to the salon just to make sure it's clean, because yesterday we went there yesterday morning, I believe. So I'm thinking if they worked yesterday, if it was busy in there yesterday, it would have been dirty by now. So let's see. I'm gonna go by there later on today. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So I don't know why I wanted to go get the pickup truck. But I wanted to get the pickup truck for some reason. I'm not sure why I was gonna leave this down there. But I may just keep this at the house. To be honest, I want to get both cars, this and the pickup truck, to the house, but it's far away and I don't have anybody to drop me off and pick me up, so to go that far and pick me up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna probably swap it out. I'd rather drive the pickup truck than this, you know what I'm saying? If I don't have to use this, I'll just park it. So that's why I'm swapping it out. It's not, yeah, I'd rather just park it, keep it parked up till it's ready to go on the road. My driveway, I don't have much space in the driveway to put everything, you know, to put all the cars. So that's why I leave it by the truck yard. Yeah, guys. Oh. Yeah. Going to sleep, you know, guys. The time hot. It's hot outside. You know. But yeah, just a quick follow up. I mean, I got some lights this week. I got the sink this week. I got all the drain, the mop sink and stuff like that. I put everything. I loaded everything up. Left it over by the Peppers location. Now all I gotta focus on next week now is just like refrigeration and stuff like that, the oven, you know what I'm saying? Those are the things I'm gonna have to start buying. I don't have any space to put them, but I have no choice because the prices on the equipment is going up every day. So if I wait 2 months, 3 months from now, it might be more. So it makes sense. I'll just buy them from now, you know, buy everything from now and store them. So what I'll do, I'll probably buy them and just put them in a corner somewhere over by the store. Yeah, guys, so that's the plan, you know. Today is a slow day. We have nothing to do. Today is like a Sunday. It's like a holiday. It is a holiday here, 4th of July, Independence Day, but there's nothing going on today. Everywhere is closed. Oh, the door frame I was trying to get, I got the doors yesterday. 2 doors, one restroom door and the door to enter into the kitchen. I got those 2 doors, but I was trying to get the door frames because the frames sold separately. So I was trying to get the door frames. I reached out to the company, but they said they were closed for the holidays. So I guess tomorrow I'll try and go down there if they're open. If they're not open, I'll just go next week. I think that they're closed for the weekend. They won't be back until Monday. So I won't be back until Wednesday. So when I get back Wednesday, Thursday, next week Thursday, I'll swing by there and pick up the door frames. They have door frames in stock. So I need 2 door frames, and I also need the hardware, the door closers. I need the door closers as well, and 2 door handle. So I'm gonna get 1 key code door handle from Amazon, and then the other one is just gonna be a regular bathroom push button latch from Amazon for the bathroom door. You know those where you press the button and it closes the door? You have that one, and then once you turn the handle, it opens from inside. So that's the one I'm gonna get for the door. Yeah. So that's about it for the for Peppers. I can't do anything until next week Thursday. Tomorrow I'm gonna get with the architect just to see if he fixed everything on the plan. If he got everything fixed, we'll resubmit them tomorrow. If not, it's gonna be next week. So it's one more delay again, you know. However, as soon as I get back, I'm gonna get with the plumber and definitely have him start on at least the grease trap. I'm gonna have him start on that. So yeah. We'll figure it out and get it done, you know? Got a red light. This red light taking forever, man. Alright, let's go. Yeah, man. What time is it? 1 o'clock. So I should get where I'm going probably around 20 after 1:20 or something. Still have about a 20-minute drive. 15-20-minute drive. Hey guys, it's 4th of July. I think they got like fireworks up there by the mountain, by Stone Mountain. They always have Independence show, like a laser light / fireworks show. So it's always crowded over there by this time. So I'm not gonna go. I mean, I didn't plan on going anywhere, you know. But we'll see. I don't have anywhere to go pretty much. I'm just gonna do what I gotta do for the restaurant and for the salon and call it a day. Go home and edit the rest of the videos. That's what I'm gonna do. I ain't got no time to go party and, you know, barbecues and stuff like that. I got things to do. Yeah man, so I'm heading down. Actually, I'm going to my dad's house. That's where I'm going. So once I get down there, I'll, you know, check back in with you guys, whatever else I have to do. Definitely I'm gonna go by the salon, so I'll start recording there again. Alright, peace. Be safe out there. It's 4th of July. Just be safe, guys. Don't be, although this video I'm not gonna drop today, but I hope everybody, by the time you watch this, you know, everybody is safe and, you know, didn't drink too much and, you know, getting any issues. Anyhow, I'll check back in later on when I'm at the salon or something. Alright guys, so I'm here. Went to look for the family. They're all doing great. So now I'm heading to the truck yard, guys. I'm not sure if I'm gonna swap the van out just yet, but I'm just swinging over there to get something from the pickup truck and, you know, start it up, make sure everything is good. I knew I wanted something from over here, but I don't remember what I needed. I needed some things from the trailer, but I'm not gonna take them out today. I'll probably do it next week. I needed to take the sink from the trailer, from the food trailer, but I'm not gonna do it today. It's hot out here today, and I'm gonna have to empty some stuff off the trailer just to get to it. So I'm just swinging by just to check on the van. Yeah. Alright, give me a minute, guys. I'm here. I'm gonna open the gate. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, so I'm by the lot. Start up Big Bertha. Yeah, and start up Big Bertha then. Yeah, everything look good. I just started up a little bit so it could. I know the battery ain't dead, but every now and then I just like to start it, you know, just get the engine oil flowing and stuff. But yeah, I was thinking of parking this van and driving Big Bertha, but I think I'm gonna keep that van. I'm going out of town, so I'll just leave that van at the house instead of leaving it down here. But what I really came for was my glasses, guys. I wear reading glasses, so I wanted to take these glasses with me on the trip. So I came to get it pretty much. Give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, so everything looks good. I mean, Bertha is good. I just came for the glasses. As I said, I needed some stuff from the trailer. I have a brand new sink, hand wash sink for the restaurant. It's in there. I have a couple of things that's in there that I need for the restaurant. There's I have a TV in there that I'm gonna put by the salon in the rental room. I'm gonna use that TV. What else? There's a couple of other stuff I need. But yeah, guys, it's a beautiful day. Look, the sun is nice. It's nice and sunny. It's a beautiful day. It's kind of warm, you know, but it's a beautiful day, you know. Alright, guys, so everything is locked up. And put all my keys back together. Let me check my list. What happened is I made a list of things that I need to do, so let me just check my list real quick to make sure I don't leave anything, you know. Alright, yeah, so everything, the things I need is at the salon, pretty much. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna get out of here, guys. We're gonna head back home, and then I'm gonna head to the salon after that. I'm gonna head to the salon, clean the salon, make sure it's clean, and then I'm gonna head over to the restaurant to block those windows out. I just want to get all of those things out done from today. That way tomorrow I could, you know, do the paperwork stuff. And I'm leaving Saturday. So yeah. So give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna head over here. I'm gonna close the gate. I'm gonna put my glasses right here. Head outside. Hold on, let me go check on the trailer while I'm here, because I'm not coming back this side until next week. It's now Thursday, so I won't be back here until next week Thursday, so I won't be here for a while. So let me go check, make sure everything is good and I'm locked up, and it, guys. See, that's the trailer right there. Food trailer. Let me go check something.
Yes, sir. Find the channel and
Guys, it's so hot out here. It feels like about 95, 90 something degrees. It's real hot. Really hot out here. Yeah, the lamp is good. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to come back to and I need to service them generators too. I got the generators are I need to change the oil in it and, you know, fuel them up and start them up so that they can run. So one of these days I'm gonna come in the evening time and service them up, you know. They've been sitting through the winter, so sometimes if you have them sit through the winter without starting it, it'll cause problems, you know. Carburetor will get messed up also. Alright, so let me get out of here. Let me get out of here. Guys, I'm gonna probably get that trailer cleaned up and sell it. When I get back, I'm gonna probably take that trailer up to the house and then start washing it down. And then once I start washing it down, I'm gonna start advertising stuff for sale from it. Yeah. I need that funding, that money that I'm gonna sell from here. I'm gonna put all of that into the restaurant. So when I get back, as a matter of fact, when I get back next week, I'm gonna pull the whole trailer to the house, start taking stuff out of it, listing what needs to be listed. I need the grill that's in there. I have 2 brand new grill in there. I have refrigerators in there. I'm gonna take all those things out and put them inside the garage or inside the restaurant space. Yeah, I'm gonna take all of those out and put them in the restaurant space, and then put the trailer for sale. I don't really need it anymore. It needs to, you know, finish complete and stuff like that, but it's not, I don't think I'm gonna use that trailer to do any form of work on the road, you know, like any form of selling food or anything like that. If push come to shove and I do decide to go on the road in the future, I'll rebuild it and you know, buy a smaller one and get it rebuild a new one, right? But for now, as I said, this bill right here, this Peppers bill, it costs a lot of money, and no matter how much money you think you have when building these things, it's always not enough. So just in case I need some extra money, I know I'm gonna need some extra money, so I'm gonna put the trailer for sale and, you know, sell it, you know, so that way I could use that money towards the bill. There's always something that's gonna come up where you need extra money, so I'm gonna just, you know, get rid of it. But yeah, it is what it is, you know. Didn't want to see it go, but we gotta get rid of it. It's just been sitting there ever since I bought it. It's been sitting there 2 years. It's brand new. It's a brand new trailer. Never been light registered or anything like that. Brand new. So I'm just gonna finish, you know, make it presentable. I'm gonna actually I'm not gonna finish it completely, but I'm gonna take everything out and leave some of the things. So like the 3-tier sink that's in it, the hand wash sink, all those things are gonna stay in there. I'm just gonna take the equipment out. There's a hood, grease hood that's in there. It's not installed. I think I may install it, or I may not install it. I might just leave it uninstalled. The reason for that is if you install it, depending on what the equipment they're gonna put inside the trailer, they might want to shift it around, you know what I'm saying? So I'd rather give it to them uninstalled. That way they could figure out where they want to install it. You know, whoever buy it could figure that part out. So yeah, I'm heading back up now. I'm done here with the lot. So I'm gonna head back up and go from there. Yeah. All right. So we'll check back in once I get up to the restaurant. Being safe on 4th of July. Look at this. Either these people drunk or something. Look at this. They took out the whole side of that car, guys. Yeah. Yeah, they be drinking too much at these gatherings, yo. You know? Anyhow, be safe out there. Guys, fireworks turn up, but me can't see nothing. Fireworks. This palm me there, oh, look at the behind the tree them right here, so but I'm surrounded by trees, guys, so we only hear what going on, but we can't see what going on. Kind of foolishness this. I guess when I go hear fireworks today and not see fireworks. Oh, that's a lot of fireworks by now. Yeah. Fireworks over by the park, I guess. The light one up there, so. Oh, the neighbors look at them like that. Yo, stuff will drop all over you. Like the neighbor them have some big fireworks over there. And I'm trying to burn down the place. Well, here in a good old USA, this is how them celebrate them independence, you know? Make nice fireworks and thing and lick shot. Yeah, the neighbor them over there bust fireworks. Yeah, I go inside because I don't want a bullet lick me. Yeah, people are fire shot too. Not up them side there, but you know. I'll check. Yeah guys, so little bit of fireworks outside. We're gonna end out this vlog right now for the night. It's 9:30. Normally fireworks start around 9 and it finish around 9:30. Today was like a Sunday, never do much today. Ended up went and visit my family. They were in town, cousins were in town. So went and did that. It's late now, so I'm not gonna go to the salon tonight. I'll just get up early in the morning and go over there early, super early tomorrow. And then take care of what I need to take care of. I'm gonna go over by the restaurant too and put up the paper in the glass. I still didn't get to go do that. So I'm gonna go take care of that in the morning. Get up like 6 in the morning and head out early, you know. So yeah, so that at that. We're gonna end out this one. I guess. Yeah, I mean, hear me guess. It is 4th of July. Be safe out there, guys. Be careful with them fireworks, and hope everybody is safe. Don't be drinking too much. Be careful on the road. I saw an accident today while I was coming home. So be safe, guys. See you in the morning, 6 a.m. Peace.